In this video, I'll be showing you how to add apps to your home screen on Google Pixel phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Samsung phone you have. Maybe you just downloaded an application and you're looking on your different home screen pages and you can't find it. It's still going to be installed, but it's going to be in your app selector screen. So from the middle of your screen, swipe upwards, and you're going to see all your currently installed apps. If you go to the left, like most, like page, then you're going to see your most recently installed stuff. So all you want to do is find whatever application you want to bring to your home screen. So let's say in my instance, it's this files application or files application. Yeah. So go ahead and long press on it. And then on the bottom, I'm going to see select, add to home, or uninstall. All I want to do is go ahead and press add to home right there. And then that's it. It's going to be added. I can then move it to whichever page I want, and then I'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.